Meyers family farm. Guys, I've got Samantha, I've got Justin. All right, feeding time for the goats. This is super. These little guys, we've been having a lot of fun with them. What kind of goats are they and how old are they?
They're Nigerian dwarf, and all of these girls were born this spring. So they range in age, from a couple months old to still on a bottle.
Who's that over there?
This is Heaven, and she was born in early June, and she is one of our last bottle babies from the spring.
That's super cute. Now, in these goats, we were talking, and you were saying they're known for their milk production?
They are. So in the miniature breed, they produce as much butterfat and volume of milk as a standard breed goat, and it's even sweeter because they're higher butterfat content. It's easier to digest than cow's milk, so it's a healthier alternative.
All right, so folks can find out about you guys. I just want to mention on the Facebook page,
yes.
And it's got all the details about where you are, what hours you can come by. But I mean, you've literally turned your backyard into a farm.
Yes, yes, it's a lot. It's a learning experience for kids and parents who have never been on a farm or been hands-on on a farm. They can come out here and ask all kinds of questions. Get to play and feed the animals, check out all the chickens and eggs.
Super cool.
So it's a lot of fun for everybody.
You guys take the milk and you make soap and you make lotion, right?
Lotion, yes. So the soap's really good it has lactic acid. It helps for exfoliation. It's good for eczema. It's a really good moisturizing.
Just a great natural alternative.
Yes.
Can we buy the soap when we come out to visit the farm?
Yes. We'll have some. And,
can we buy the eggs when we come out to visit the farm? Okay, one-stop shopping out here, folks. One-stop shopping. So how much to come and wander around?
It is free to come out and tour.
There you go.
We just ask that you book an appointment so I can do one-on-one, and we can give you all the attention while you're out here. And we do take donations. It all goes back to the maintenance and feeding the animals and stuff. But it's a lot of fun for everybody.
You just said my favorite word.
A lot of fun and free.
Well, I don't know. It could have been farm, but yeah, free's the favorite word. Oh, goodness. Wait a minute. Just yes.
Yeah, you're done.
Just hammered that bottle, man. That was full like 2 seconds ago.
She does not play.
Goodness. All right, guys, coming up in the next hour, the moment we've all been waiting for, we're going to milk some goats. That should be entertaining. We'll see you then. And Katie, Ruby Dominguez, Fox 26 News.